Hey, buenos dias, que paso amigos, John's Moto Garage. Welcome back to the channel. Just out here having a good time practicing. As you can tell by the title, all we're doing today is just having a good time on the DRZ. No crazy agenda, no ulterior motive. I'm not doing some list of nonsense. Not trying to convince you guys to do a DRZ versus a Harley versus an Indian. Just going back to the basics, back to the roots, the bare bones, riding around, having fun on a motorcycle.
Yikes.
Dang, traffic's crazy over here. Holy smokes. Yeah, the 9 to 5 grind, man. That's no fun at all. I just want to go back to basics and have fun taking the motorcycle for a spin. And so that's what I'm doing. I'm going to explore a little bit. Of course, we will try to pop a wheelie or two. Hopefully we don't spend the entire day just sitting in traffic, but sadly it looks like that may actually be the case. This is when in Arizona you're like, man, why can't I just lane split? You know what I mean? But it's against the law here, and you've got a 5-0 up there, so I will be respectful of the law, at least for the time being. What I'm going to do, though, up over here, there's a little area back behind a casino that I do not frequent often, because I'm not a casino guy, but not sure what's going on over here. What is going on? Anyway, we're going to, and I'm going to just go explore a little bit. There's an abandoned house back. It may or may not be Indian reservation. I hope it's not. Is this a motorcycle accident up here? Ooh, that sucks. Hopefully the guy appears to be okay. Maybe the bike just broke down. I haven't been out here in quite some time, but that's what I love about the DRZ, is it's an explorer's bike, man. Not an adventure bike. It's good for exploring, though. Private road, no entrance to casino. Dude, we don't need a casino, man. We're not looking for no casino. We're out exploring, bro. Karaoke Thursday, 7 to 11. Definitely put that on my calendar. Make sure I get out to karaoke. Yeah, this is what we're looking for out here. Just to kind of like get off the beaten path, you know what I mean? Private road, no through traffic. Not to fear, we're not through traffic. I've been wanting to learn for the longest time how to do drifts, and yesterday I went over to one of the wheelie spots and there were some dudes on Harleys like totally ripping it up. Some local shredders who I've been following on Instagram for a while. Dude, they did some gnarly drifting on the Harley, so I don't see myself getting into it in the near future, but I've been messing around a little bit in dirt on the DRZ here. In fact, this looks like perfect terrain for the old drifter game. Eventually on the Harley I'd love to get into the drifter game. My problem is it just destroys that back tire, and I don't want to be spending all my hard-earned money on rubber, you know what I mean? I think this used to be a cow farm or something like that. Oh, there's somebody out there. Let's try a drifter too. Yeah, there we go. Woo! Of course, it's easier in the dirt on a bike like this, super lightweight. I can't imagine on a Harley on the concrete. There we go, getting some drifter action in. This is actually really fun stuff. Alright, sorry you guys, let's explore a little bit more. Alright, so here's the abandoned houses. I don't know if anybody's here or not. It could be a little bit dangerous, but we're going to check it out. Yeah, this could be sketch. Try not to do anything too crazy. I'll keep the bike running just in case I have to take off, you know. I mean, it would be like shelter from the rain, you know, shelter from the storm, but that's about it. It's a shame they had to thrash it, you know, otherwise you could have had some decent shelter. You haven't been out here in a long time. That's what I love about the DRZ, man. It's built to be able to go out and explore, you know? Fun stuff. Believe it or not, we actually got some rain here in the last week on Thanksgiving and a few other days, so a little bit of mud out here. I'm not gonna be going like all out mud bogging, but we'll check it out. See where this trail takes us. It'd probably be wise to take it slow the first run through, because I've never been through here, at least not in a long time, but bear in mind I'm on my street tires. I don't have knobbies, so oh yeah, I'm not a big fan of the mud, you know. All right, too muddy over there. We got to get out of here. Like I said, sometimes you got to get back to the basics and just get that cycle therapy. And so that's why today, like I said, I just wanted to get out and ride the motorcycle, and beautiful weather out for it. I really want to learn these drifts, especially after seeing those dudes killing it on the Harleys. Whoa. There's a truck out there. Hopefully he doesn't see me. Whoa! Almost high-sided that one. Yeah. Hey, buenos dias, que paso, amigos? John's Moto Garage. Welcome back to the channel. Oh, man. That may be a good time to call it a day. Oh. Just goes to show, I mean, I'm here in the dirt, going pretty dang slow, but it wouldn't take a whole lot, you know, just a little bit faster, and that would have, the way it flung me, or if my foot had gotten caught underneath it, you know, things could turn ugly real fast. So even just screwing around, having a fun time like this, you can get yourself into trouble. Now, of course, I'm cheating. I'm using my foot down, but yeah, those look like perfect circles. Perfect circles over there. What a blast. Oh, what a blast. Woo! Starting to get a decent little drift in there. Or more like donuts. This isn't legit drifting, this is more like donuts, but fun nonetheless. Oh man, I'm getting worn out. But yeah, honestly, this is what it's all about, you guys. John's Moto Garage, the motorcycles, man. Just having fun. Look at that power hour. The weather is perfect. You got the sun. Yeah, sometimes you got to go back to the basics and just enjoy it. Just enjoy two wheels. You know, with Thanksgiving that happened recently, yeah, definitely spoiled, man. I can only speak for myself, but definitely spoiled. You know, a huge shout out, thanks to everybody who has tagged along for this long, or, you know, even if you're just recently joining us, I appreciate the support. It's been a fun time so far, and yeah, good times on John's Moto Garage.